Pure souls, welcome to my channel. Let's see what message is coming for you today. Before I read a card, just do Om chanting, and I introduce this bracelet to here. This is the triple bond bracelet, combo of rhodonite, lapis lazuli, and tiger eye. If you love to attract money, if you love love money will always with you, so buy this bracelet, or and you want to achieve your all goals with fearless, so this bracelet gives you the fearless energy. So if you are a risk taker, or you are a gamer, or you are kind of get go getter kind of energy you have, so you have this bracelet made for you guys. So just if you want to take risk in your life, so just get this kind of bracelet. This bracelet's energy gives you the strength to take risk. This bracelet gives you the grounded energy. This bracelet gives you the lots of money, and this personally I made it, and this bracelet's name is money magnet. If you want more money into your life, so wear this bracelet, because it provides money with shield and remove all kind of negativity, and your health also improve, especially mentally. So if you have some psychic problem, if you have some mind problem, mind issues, mental issues, so just wear this bracelet, because it gives you all kind of cleanliness from bottom of your gene or your cellular level. If you want to cellular level cleaning, so this bracelet provides you. If you want to DNA level cleaning, so this bracelet provides you, and also gives you the protection and shield and money too. So lots of problems each and every person's have and going through, uh, generations and generations, these bracelets remove all the problem. So if you want to clean your all problems, whatever your problem is, or are you are going through problems from the generations, so this is the solution of your problem. So if you like this bracelet, so you can order it, and you can also purchase from here. I mentioned the email id and number, so direct DM me. So thank you so much, and let's see, and do Om chanting also. And if you want, uh, open your heart chakra, so this helps you a lot too, because rose quartz I put on the center, so this helps you a lot. So truth, so if you want to clarify it is truth or not, so this is the card I shuffled. Never I know this card is here. So whatever I said, this is the truth. So divines gives you the confirmation, and me too. So thank you so much to show your concern. So thank you so much, and can thank you so much for connect with me. And whatever your truth is, just connect with yourself, connect with that truth, because you are the king of your own life, and you are the ruler of this world. So if you want to rule this world, so definitely you have that kind of energy. If you don't, so it's okay, but you are the king, and your communication is skill is marvelous. So just use it and live your life fully, because your hand, your sword is bang on. So just work with that and use wherever you want to use it. So this is the message from, and because growth is here, so never ever stop you, and never ever stop yourself to do something new or creative or cloudy uh, or I don't know what the word is because I'm not getting that word. So maybe this is the secret one. So just use it and live your whole life with lively livelihood. I don't know. This is something big is here, and my words is kind of uh, somewhere, sometimes here, sometimes where. So I, in a right way, in my vocabulary, that word is missing. So you are the some kind of big energy. So just go ahead. So wherever you want to go, you can. So you are the truth. You are the blessings of this world. So just live your life. So I'm going to stop here. Thank you so much. Love and light. Live a happy, healthy life. Thank you.